Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution.